In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cookies and cream cupcakes. To make the cake, you're going to need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of sugar, 1.5 cups of buttermilk, 1.5 cups of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1.5 cups of warm water, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 4 eggs. Using the electric mixer, combine the flour, the sugar, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and cocoa together. Now add the eggs, water, oil, vanilla, and milk and beat at medium speed until it's combined thoroughly. Next, line the cupcake pan with cupcake liners or spray with nonstick cooking spray. Pour the batter about halfway full on each one. Bake in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for about 20 minutes, or until you can put a toothpick or fork in the center of a cupcake and it comes out clean. While the cupcakes are cooling down, it's time to make the frosting. You're going to need 1 16-ounce bag of powdered sugar, 13 Oreo cookies, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of whipping cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1/2 cup of butter that's been softened. Beat the butter at medium speed for a couple of minutes. Now alternate adding the powdered sugar and the cream until everything's mixed together. Now add the salt and vanilla and mix thoroughly. Now place the Oreos in a Ziploc bag and crush. Now add the cookie crumbs into the frosting and stir until it's combined. After the cupcakes have cooled down a little bit, it's time to add the frosting. To decorate the cupcakes, cut an Oreo cookie in half and then add a half a cookie to each one. These are so delicious. If you try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.